Hi everyone. Today we will focus on a few more things within indexing in FamilySearch. So if you come to indexing and web indexing, we are going to show just a quick video of how to use the ruler. So it's typically going to be used when you have something such as this type of record where you have a lot of different lines, or if it's something that's really long this way, because as you zoom in you kind of lose track of where you are. So the way you use the ruler is you come to data entry and go to show ruler, and they don't have it at this point where you can size the ruler down. It just moves it. I put in that request, so hopefully we can get it where we can size it. Once you get it in place, it scales with it. But the fun thing is you can go to your settings under batch and you can change the colors. So I really like purple. You can change the opacity. So I like it to have just a little bit of faintness to it. So what I do, because I can't size it, and depending, I go, okay, am I on this one or this one? I just have it where it's at the top, so you can just click and move it as you go along. So it's kind of fun, right? So go to batch and settings to change your colors, depending on what you want and what color makes you happy that day. So maybe it's like, hey, this is a yellow day and stuff like that. So I'm not sure why you want to go super, like that, because you can't see a thing, but you could always do it where if you do that, you could always say it's the one right above it. So that's great. And so that's how you use the ruler. So if I'm working on, so if I come in here and I work on this first person, then I would do that. And once I finish it, then I would move it down. I'd work on the second person and so forth. So I hope that's helpful in using the under data entry. If you want to get rid of it, you just uncheck it. And so that can help you with different types of records where you need to keep track of which line you're on. So remember, family history rocks, and enjoy the rest of your day.